Right, this is the new solar tracker. There we are. It's got a MPPL regulator, which is, they perform a lot higher than the other cheap ones. Well, they're all cheap, but there we are. It is whacking. There's no sun, and it's still putting 12.3 into the battery, which is excellent. And we come around here. And there we are. This one here, this is the up and down to tilt it, and the other one is up the top there, which swivels. It's only a small panel, but it's good enough for when you're camping, and that's what it's all about. So this one, I made this for the trailer tent, so give you some sort of idea. It looks nice, works well, and it's even no sun and it's still charging. Mind you, you've got to have the right panel for it. This is Dave signing off. Don't forget the bits at the bottom. Thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll give you another one later when we've done the rest of it. It's got a nice little base on this one, so there you are. You can pop that on the ground anywhere. As long as you pop it to south, it'll work nicely. We'll catch you all on the flip side. Bye-bye. Whoosh, we're gone.